morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Currently on the way to my old apartment, my old apartment complex. I'm meeting up with my boy Craig, who drives a Volkswagen R32. Super dope. This video is going to be like old times. Me, Craig, and Kyler F30 Skirt are going to Cars and Coffee and Lake Mary. And then I'm probably meeting up with my boy F8 Anthony from Maryland, who drove down here in his M5. So it should be a fun day. Going back to my old apartment complex right now, so that's pretty cool. Haven't been there since we moved, so meeting up with Craig now and Kyler, and then we're gonna roll out to Cars and Coffee together. As you guys can tell, I still have my morning voice. It's super early. I went to bed super late, but hey, gotta get some content for you guys and rolling out to Cars and Coffee with the boys. This is actually my first time going back to this side of town since we moved to the new house, which is funny because I work over here. But fortunately for me, since I'm working from home, I haven't had to travel to this side of town. But it's gonna be cool to go back to my old apartment complex. And it's actually funny that we're going to Lake Mary Cars and Coffee with Kyler and Craig, because the last time we went there was with John, Thick Whips, Thick F30, and Jay when they came for the feature film back in December. So I think it's pretty ironic and pretty funny that we're going with them again. So it should be fun. Should be a chill day. I think we're gonna try to take rollers with Kyler's camera as well, so we'll see how that works out. Let's go. So we're actually meeting up with my boy Anthony from Maryland. He actually had an F80 back in the day when I had my F30, and he had the dopest photos and he had the dopest build at the time. He's now in an F90 M5, but at the time when I had my F30 like 2-3 years ago, he had his F80, and I always looked up to him for like pictures and editing. I'll throw a couple of his photos on the screen now, but it was super dope the way he edited, and all his photos are fire. So shout out to you if you're watching. But yeah, we're gonna meet up with him. He actually drove down from Maryland to Orlando. I guess he's staying with family and spending time with his family for the week, but he actually drove down from Maryland in his M5, and he's here in Orlando now. So he wanted to link up just to hang out, meet in person, put a face to the build. My boy Craig. Long time no see, bro. Looking clean. Hey, my old apartment complex was good. I missed it though. Good times here, Stone Castle in Orlando. Here's Craig with his R32. Thing is fire. You guys have seen his car on the channel before. His car is so clean. Super rare, by the way, if you guys know the VW world. And it sounds amazing. Craig's car sounds so good, naturally aspirated, super deep tone. So nice. Hey, just like old times, pulling up next to Kyler right here at Starbucks. Yo, car sounds good as fuck. Y'all give him the follow, you already know. Just pulled up to Starbucks, met up with Kyler, boy Craig. Kyler's car is looking too clean, always, man. True that. I haven't driven my car all week, and then of course my girl was like, yo, you drive last night to Icon, and then it rains on it.
Where's that? That's like I drive?
Yeah, it's like the big Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah.
And of course, thanks to Jenna, my car's dirty now. But it's all good. Black still looks clean on camera.
Oh, yeah.
In person it's super dirty, but you guys can't tell.
A few water spots.
Yeah.
Not bad.
We can roll out if you want. Clean Craig's car. Make sure you give these two a follow. The homies, OG homies. Yes, sir. If I go to anywhere with Craig, he's always recording on his GoPro, but never seen the day of light, bro. The videos never see the day of light. Yeah. Man has like at least 10 videos he can make, but
I got like a year worth of videos.
yeah. No, literally though, since I met you, you've had the GoPro going. One time for the vlog. Woo. Sounds so good. All right, now we're rolling out. We got Kyler leading the pack. We're on a dope little back road on the way to Cars and Coffee. We got Craig behind me. Let's go. Yo, last time Kyler led the pack, you guys know what happened. If you guys seen 2 videos ago, you guys have seen what happens when Kyler leads the pack. Fucking cops come. No, I'm kidding. But that's so funny. Last time he was leading the pack, we all got pulled over. AKA they all got pulled over, and me, F8 Cold, and M235 Danny dipped. But yeah, that's funny. But yeah, taking some back roads now to Cars and Coffee. Super nice day. There's supposed to be a tropical storm in Florida right now, but as you guys can see, I mean, it's definitely holding out for us until the afternoon at least. You never know with Florida. It's probably gonna rain and storm in a couple hours, but right now it looks beautiful. So yeah, we're just rolling out with the boys. Beautiful day. Just ran into Anthony with his M5. Look at that timing, yo. But yeah, we're pulling up to Cars and Coffee right here. Should be a small, decent turnout, we'll see. Anthony from Maryland. Man drove all the way down. M5 comp, you already know. Sheesh. My boy, F90 Anthony. Used to be F80 Anthony. Drove all the way from Maryland.
Yeah.
What happened here?
The second week I put the lip on, I hit a rabbit.
Oh my
on the highway.
No way.
The lips on like back order for like 4 months.
Rabbit.
Yeah.
Go
no,
figure.
like the worst part is like, so in the city we have like 4-lane highway section. You have like the scooching boys.
No way. Oh, to clean your car?
Yeah, they put like
That's that city life,
some
bro.
dirty
Yeah.
rags, some dirty things.
My
like,
brother-in-law's from Queens, and like that's all I see up there in the
like,
city.
don't touch the car.
Yeah. And then they try to touch it anyway.
I'm like,
and then they expect the tip, and
Yeah,
they're
I'm
like,
I'm gonna slit your throat if you get any bit closer.
Yeah.
Like, alright, chill.
similar to Rolls M5. This is just a competition model though. I think same color, same interior spec, super nice. On a 911 on TEs. I'm low-key leaning towards TEs for my car, or BBS, but your boy can't afford either one right now. Chatting up with Anthony from Baltimore. It's good to put faces towards builds, you already know. Man drove all the way from Baltimore. This Cars and Coffee is super small, but a lot of good cars already. Look at that Dakar yellow E36. It's 911 over here. I just saw an Aventador over there. Looks like we got a Performante. This Huracan sounded twin turboed, but we'll find out. There they are. Sounded twin turbo for real. Thing is sick. Yep, just to confirm, you already know UR Underground Racing. You already know this thing's fast as a mofo. Still my favorite car here. Batman vibes, V12 Aventador. That's the car I would take out of all these cars.
Wow.
There you go, man.
And I bought a black one.
Just painted it.
This was
Beautiful.
black.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
The guy bought it very cheap, and the clear coat was peeling.
Take away, Craig.
Man said he's still working on it, but the thing looks pretty done to me, yo. Got the Sparkos, just painted Dakar yellow.
I have a E30.
The thing is beautiful.
Bad condition. I'm thinking to take the engine and the training from this.
I was like, bro, these cars look
That boy. Boy Caleb. What is this, an A12? Jeez. This thing is nutty. This color. Hella clean. Oh, we got F8, R8, GT3 RS, GT3. This thing is beautiful though. Grigio, Telestio, whatever the color is. God damn. Got a beautiful RS. All blacked out. Sheesh.
Because it doesn't have that ramp of a foot. It's a lot more like all motorish. Right, yeah, but
This RX-7.
this wing is ridiculous. Dry carbon.
Thing is sick.
I finally learned
Right-hand drive, roll cage.
in the center section.
Then we got a parent rocket bunny. Thing is also sick, right-hand drive. I think we're going over to see this M8 Grand Coupe. Cars and Coffee's dying. Haven't got much footage for you guys yet, but just chilling with the boys. We got an M8. Super clean. Got a frozen gray paint.
Not embellishing on those numbers either, they are real. I believe you. Can't quite get the 2.6 to 60 here. If I've got race gas.
This guy's a boss. He has his dyno sheet on his M6 for everybody to see his numbers. He's making 712 horsepower with just JB4. Insane. No downpipe, no tune, just JB4, and he's making fucking 700 horsepower. Crazy. Nice.
Nice little detail.
Sick.
It looks nicer than the standard.
Look at
Yo, this man drove all the way from Maryland, has 0 bugs on his car, bro.
crazy.
Yo, tell me, bro. How?
makes no kind of sense.
Nah, that's the cheapest we got.
This is some foo-foo magic shit, bro.
I don't
There's
know
no
what
way.
he uses to reflect bugs.
All right, Anthony's heading out for the vlog. It's good to meet you.
See ya.
Yes, sir. We'll probably hang out again. Yes, sir. I think us and these guys are gonna go try to shoot some rollers of our cars, attempted, so we'll see.
I don't want to like daily my car.
Kyler's paint glistening in the sun, sunset orange.
So cool. Look at that.
No, you're good, bro. You're good. You're at the start of the show, my guy. Kyler's girlfriend locked herself out of her car, so he has to dip.
Oh, the car.
Yeah, her car.
Oh, never mind.
Did-
Yeah, you can't do that.
Deuces.
her house.
Oh, her house. So we were gonna take some rollers, like I said, but Kyler's girlfriend locked herself out of her house, so he had to go. Caleb's going home to work on his car. But yeah, I'm heading home now. I'm gonna go film another video for you guys. We're supposed to hang out with them maybe tomorrow. I know Caleb is working on his car. Kyler and Jonathan are working on Kyler's car, so I'll probably meet up with them, film some stuff, hang out with the boys, and then we're gonna try to get some rollers as well. And then Craig's rolling out as well. But yeah, good turnout. Cars and Coffee is pretty chill, very small, but it's good to talk to Anthony from Maryland and talk to the homies about car stuff. You already know. Kai's gonna be shooting those 3-foot flames right now. Yo, if somebody just was driving behind Kyler and they saw this, they'd be like, what the hell is coming off this guy's car? It looks like a big ass antenna.
It really does.
We got Jonathan shooting pictures. We got a 360 camera. Got Caleb. That's sick. Like maybe split a lane.
Yeah.
Or go into the side if I have to.
Try with car violence.
Got Kyler shooting.